Hi everyone, if you are a civil engineering student or a site engineer, this video is very important for you. Today, I will explain the complete process of motor grader working on road construction, especially for spreading and leveling. In road construction projects, spreading and leveling is one of the most critical stages because the quality of this step directly affects the strength, smoothness, and life of the road. If leveling is not done properly, the road surface will become uneven, drainage will be poor, and cracks may appear in the future. That is why the motor grader plays a very important role on site. A motor grader is a heavy construction machine mainly used for spreading soil, granular subbase and aggregate base course. It is also used for shaping slopes, forming camber, and finishing the road surface before compaction. The most important part of the motor grader is the long adjustable blade called the motor. This blade can move up and down, rotate at different angles, and shift left or right according to site requirements. The proper control of this blade allows the operator to cut high spots, fill low areas, and achieve a uniform surface level. Before starting the grader work, proper site preparation is required. The site engineer first checks the road alignment and confirms the benchmarks. Formation level and required layer thickness are verified according to drawings. After that, level marking is done using an auto-level machine. Wooden or steel pegs are fixed along both sides of the road to guide the operator. These pegs indicate the required finish level. Without proper marking and level control, accurate leveling cannot be achieved. Engineering supervision at this stage ensures quality work. After level marking, dump trucks unload the material along the road alignment. The material may be granular subbase or aggregate base course, depending on the construction stage. The material should be dumped in a controlled and uniform manner. If too much material is dumped in one area, it becomes difficult for the grader to spread it evenly. Proper coordination between the dump truck driver and grader operator is very important for smooth workflow. Now the motor grader starts the spreading process. The operator adjusts the blade angle and height according to the required thickness. During spreading, the blade cuts excess material from high areas and moves it toward low areas. The aim is to distribute the material evenly across the full width of the road. The machine moves slowly to maintain accuracy. Operator skill plays a major role here because small mistakes can disturb the final level. Thickness control is very important because if the layer is too thick, compaction will not be effective, and if it is too thin, the required strength will not be achieved. After rough spreading, the final leveling process begins. This is the most critical stage of the operation. The operator carefully follows the level markings and adjusts the blade to achieve the required final surface. During this stage, proper camber or cross slope is also formed. Normally, road camber is kept between 2 to 3% to ensure proper drainage. This slope allows rainwater to flow away from the road surface and prevents water accumulation. Water standing on the road surface can reduce its life and cause damage over time. Once leveling is completed, the site engineer inspects the work. Final levels are checked using the auto-level machine. Layer thickness and cross slope are measured to ensure they match the design requirements. Surface smoothness is also checked using a straight edge. If any high or low spots are found, the grader is called again to correct them. Immediate correction prevents future problems and maintains quality standards. After approval of leveling, the compaction process starts. A vibratory roller compacts the layer to achieve the required density. Proper leveling ensures uniform compaction. If the surface is uneven, compaction will also be uneven, which can create weak spots in the road. Good compaction increases the strength and durability of the pavement layered out. In conclusion, motor grader working for spreading and leveling is a very important part of road construction. Accurate level marking, skilled machine operation, proper camber formation, and strict engineering inspection are essential for building a strong and long-lasting road. A well-leveled surface not only improves road quality but also ensures safety and better performance for many years. Understanding this complete process is very important for every civil engineer working in the field of road construction.